Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to see a great productivity hack for Android Studio in order to write more with less code. Let's get started. So Android Studio provides many tools that let you enhance your workflow as a developer. There is a great keyboard shortcut you can work with. I made a video about keyboard shortcut. You can watch it on this channel. There's also some great live templates. I made also a video about that. You can check it here in the channel also. Today, we'll be talking about something else called postfix completion. So postfix completion are similar to live templates, but they are invoked after you write your expression. So let's say I'm having a function here, and this function called hello. This function accepts a string. Let's say something here, we will do a check on this string. So we want to do an if for this string length. We want to see if it's length, let's say if it is an empty. So you can do the following, can do if like that and put string here and is empty or not empty, for example. So you can have this if and those parentheses without writing them. So you can do the following. You type your Boolean expression, okay? So it must be a Boolean, and put here, for example, is blank. What you would do a dot like that. And as you can see here, there is an and not, okay? That's the option for the Boolean. And there is this if and when. If you write if here, it will transform it like the following. It will use this if, and it will give you those parentheses and brackets directly without writing. You can do something similar if you have the string and you want to do a when operation like switch statement here. You do dot, type when. And if you run it here, it will give you this code block directly. You don't have to worry about it. There is many postfix templates here. If you go here to the files and go to the settings, here search for postfix. So there is postfix for Java, for Kotlin, for C++, and so on. If you go here to the Kotlin part, you will see that there is something for the for example. You can do the for, the if, some iteration here. You will type just this iteration, and you can see what will happen. So you have list and you do iter like that. You will have this one. So it will give you that and that variable name, for example. You can do if not null, for example. If you click X and you do not null, it will directly put that. There is something for the null also, exactly. There is set off, try and catch. This is become handy. So you can do it like the following. You can do the string and you put just try. And you click it, it will give you that expression, right? That's awesome. Now there is a problem with this one postfix. We can't add things. In live templates, you can add things to Kotlin. For Java, you can do it. For Kotlin, you can't. We have to stick with this. There is some plugins. I will put the link in the description that allow you to do that, but in a different syntax. So you get that postfix thing. As I said, there is a return, there is thing, there is spread operation. This is a great template also. There is try, catch, val, when, while. These are the famous ones you can work with. So that's it for this short video. I hope this tip will help you to increase your productivity as a developer. If you have other shortcuts and tips that allow us to increase our productivity as developers, don't hesitate to share it with us. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Salam alaikum.